In this video, I'm going to be opening my second Bulq.com liquidation box. I got 2 boxes from Bulq.com and decided to break up the videos. So if you want to see my first box opening, I will link that video down below. This particular one I purchased for $70 and there are 27 items in it. My last box I made a mistake. I purchased that for $73 and there was 22 items in it. So I just get super excited. It's kind of like Christmas. You can see the manifest, but you just don't really know until you open it up to see the condition. So let's open this up. Okay, I so totally need to get a box cutter because I'm using like a kitchen samurai sword and it's just probably not the best idea. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Okay, well, Halloween just passed, but these are hide and eek little string lights. I'll have to, it looks like it's still sealed. I'll have to check it out. But I'm sure those do well around Halloween. I have a Eclipse blackout panel. I actually have sold these before and I sold out of them. So I can just go back into eBay and put another quantity and push it live, which that makes it really easy. Next up is, oh, this was in my last box, a linen Aruba blackout curtain. So now I can sell them in packs of 2 since it's just 1 curtain. Don't you need more than 1 curtain? I'm always confused by that. Like, do you just buy 1 curtain sometimes? The 1 long curtain, does that suffice? Anyway, people buy 1 curtains, but when you have 2, you can fit them in a medium flat rate box and that helps you save on shipping on the back end. Next up are these fragrance-free taper candles. I might put something like this on Macari just because that stuff just kind of goes on Macari. It sells. This is opened, obviously. I'm not seeing any type of tag. It's definitely a curtain, so I'll have to open that one up. We have more candles, which will sell really quickly during Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I have a white linen filtering. I think this was in my last box too, so that's pretty exciting to put them in together. See, Pillow Fort blackout curtain. It has these cute little tassels on them. Looks like that was also opened. Should go pretty quickly. Anything with tassels goes quickly. Ooh, this is the Opal House sheer curtain. Opal House, I think it's kind of like Target's, that and the Magnolia line is kind of Target's upper end, I think, because I usually get a little bit more for Opal House. This is another light filtering curtain. It's gray. This looks completely like it wasn't opened. And, oh, another Opal House sheer curtain. Awesome. Oh, and another curtain, sheer curtain. So I can put quantity 3 or put 2 together and then 1 separate. I get to decide that when I'm trying to do the listing. What is this? Ooh, an Opal House table runner. Oh, that's pretty. An extended length table runner. This stuff is in is perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's perfect timing because people are usually looking to dress up their tables. This is an adjustable harp. What is that? Oh, for a lampshade. I didn't know that comes like that, but. Next is this ultrasonic essential oil diffuser. See how the pretty design on it? I think I'll have to do eBay and Mercari on that one. This is another light filtering curtain set. It's like the cafe curtains. And I have a sheer curtain. Oh, that's pretty. It's just kind of like a beigey sheer. Curtains are expensive, and so they go for better money on eBay. Ooh, this is pretty. Hearth and Hand shower curtain. That's pretty. It's, you can see, has that like design on the bottom with a red and some black detailing and tassels. That'll go quick. Another open box item. I think this was in my last box. Just a solid white Archeo curtain panel. And that's still in its original packaging. What is this? So cute. I almost wish I had these for Halloween. Little light up pumpkins. Super cute. And prickly pear cactus grow kit. Can you see that? How cute is that? That is really cute. Gosh, why do I want to keep everything? Can't. I can't. So it has the seeds and the plant food and the wick. Oh, this looks like a gift tags. Gift tags are good. They go quickly. They're cute. They're little Santa and like a checkered plaid. I think there's another one. Gift tags, candy canes, the same thing. It looks like the exact same gift tags. 50 gift tags. Make that 3. The exact same thing. So I can just put the listing up once and put quantity 3. What's this? Shower curtain rings. Includes 12 pieces. Oh, those are pretty. Super pretty. Hearth and Hand. You can't go wrong. Hearth and Hand just makes things that are in style and pretty. And e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow. Ooh, it's bright. I'm gonna put that on Mercari because it's just little. It's makeup. Makeup does really well. And a T-ball set without the bat, because you know, everybody needs that. Maybe I'll give it to my niece. So that's it. I think this box was better than my last one. I think I did pretty well. I'll be interested to see what I could sell everything for. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and have a very, very blessed night.